back to KIKOMOON. Today I'm filming for you guys part 2 of the sewing project I started last week. Today I'm showing you guys how to make the blazer jacket that matches with this pleated skirt that I showed in my video last week. So let's just start sewing. Blazers and suits are sophisticated garments and require a lot of experience and techniques. Therefore, this video is more of an experiment of my part. I know that I do lack a lot of skills, so that is why I will be using a blazer as a template / reference. And before anyone comments, step 1, get a blazer. Actually, you are right, because I think that everyone should purchase a good quality blazer as it is a staple in anyone's closet. Alright, to simplify the process, I have sketched out all of the main parts of the blazer. For the front, you need the main piece, the sleeves, the bottom flap, the collar, and the facing. For the back, you will need the back piece and the bottom back. Also, you will need the facing lining and the lining for all of the bottom pieces that I've drawn here in pink except for the collar. Alright, so for the next 5 minutes, I'm just showing you guys how I trace and cut out every single piece. So if you're not interested in that, just skip to the sewing step.
As part of a game. Forget it, man, and get with the countdown. Shake this square world and blast off for Kicksville.
There's nothing left to say. I'm not okay. I hate feeling this way. But can't you see this place is about to burn? Everybody hurts. But can't you see I was just afraid of becoming what I hate, becoming just like you. I don't know what I do. I break my own heart. Don't do it for me. I'm content with loving you until you cannot fucking stand me. Don't care if it's friendship, just want your attention. Can't you see? You're the girl I want, the girl that I need. I wanna give you every single part of me. You're the girl I want, the girl that I need. You're what I need. I must admit, I always fall in love with people who treat me like shit. The feeling is growing, live in the moment. Can't you see the sunlight's in your hair? Please handle me with care, and we'll go anywhere. Can you see? You're the girl I want, the girl I need. I wanna give you every single part of me. I am so afraid of everything. It is so confusing being me.
But everything that goes up must come down. When John came down, he landed with a thud. Due to the effects of the alcohol and the late hours at the party, the following day he was too tired, too sick to study. Now, facing another school day, he finds the same problems, the same responsibilities.
There's nothing left to say. Are you okay?
Alright, so I'm starting with the main front piece, and as you can see, there are darts. I did do mine, but if you just started sewing, I do not want to overcomplicate things, so I would just skip this step if I was you, and I would just hope that no one reproaches me for skipping that. Now I'm gonna start working on the lapel, and I know that some of you guys don't know what it is, so I just inserted here a quick definition, but basically it's like the collar of a suit, and that is mainly like what was the most complicated in the whole process. So I like to interface my pieces, so I will go ahead and iron the facing to the interfacing to reinforce the lapel of the blazer, and I also interfaced one of the collar. Now taking the collar, connected right sides together with the main front piece. And do the same to the other half front piece. Make sure that they're in the right order. Then take the two interfaced lapel and the other interfaced collar piece and do the same as the last step. Now this is the satisfying part in my opinion. Overlap right sides together the non-interfaced lapel to the interfaced lapel. To make sure that you're going in the right direction, the two pieces should fit perfectly together like so. Then you can sew the collar, the little inverted triangle, and all along the lapel. And if this step seems unclear to you, do not worry because I will be linking a very good step-by-step tutorial down below. Once everything is sewn together, flip it inside out and connect the back piece to the collar that we have been working on this whole time like so. Once again, right sides together, and as you can see, everything is coming together and is looking more and more like a jacket. Now we're finally done with the collar, which was the hardest part in my opinion. We're gonna move on with the sleeves. Lay the sleeves right sides together and only sew the longest part. Then open up the main piece to reveal a semicircle which fits the sleeve in perfectly. Sew the shoulders and the sides onto the jacket. Now onto the bottom of the jacket. I know that I could have went in a different direction with the bottom, which would have made it easier, but I don't know why I ended up keeping it like for last. Anyhow, like I mentioned at the beginning, do not do your facing / lining / hemming like me. You're better off either simply hemming the bottom or making it double layered for a finished look, because trust me, my blazer did not hold together with that skinny piece of fabric and I had to go back and make a legit lining. Alright, the last two steps is to sew the bottom piece to the main fabric, and do not forget to hem the sleeves cuffs. And you're all done. Alright, thank you so much for watching and have a safe back to school.